Welcome to Retro Dailies, the car show that says you could and should use a retro car every single day. I'm Liam Carter and I'm wearing sunglasses. I'm about to see... I'm dreading the day that someone goes, can you come and video me in my Mini or in my MG? How the f... Thanks for meeting me, Tom. Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
This is Tom's absolutely incredible Mini. You'll notice that things are a bit different at the moment, but that's because I've got a gimbal and everything is really balanced, so I apologise if it's all a bit different and new.
Tom, why a Mini?
Well, just because they're iconic, aren't they? When it just started out as a joke, really, in high school, when I was deciding what car I wanted to drive in the next couple of years, and I just said, I know, I'll have a classic Mini. So then we started looking on eBay and found this as a project, and then throughout the years, I think it took about 3.5 years, we completely rebuilt the car.
And now you've got a passion for it?
I do, a really big passion, really big.
Under the skin.
I just want to put out, I have a bitterness against Minis because I'm too tall to fit in one. So I think before we go any further, I'm going to sit in the driver's seat and just see how big it is compared to me. Because, by the way, I'm 6'5". Yeah, so yeah, I think is my head meant to touch the roof?
No.
No. It seems a bit too hard on the ankles.
Yeah, yeah, it is a little bit, yeah.
I'll tell you what, I do kind of fit in it. So, bitterness over. Bitterness is over. I now like Minis.
This Mini used to be a police car. It used to be the light blue that they were, and it has got the, I'm going to say, police spec engine in it. Got 1275 GT engine in it.
Right. So it's a bit of a pocket rocket.
Yeah, it's the biggest standard engine that they did.
Yeah.
So when you want it to go, it will go. Which I think the gear ratio is slightly different.
Mm-hmm.
But that really is what's unique about it. We completely redid the car. You know, did put disc brakes on the front, put seat belts on the back. You know, other than that, it is just a Mini. Not the quickest thing on the road, by far, but down country lanes it will master them corners.
Well, that's kind of what these things are known for, isn't it? You know.
Yeah, they've got a great racing history in the rally, and they won the rally 4 times in a row. But the third time they got disqualified.
How old are you?
19.
19. Baby face, absolute baby face, and you own a Mini.
Yes.
And how old were you when you bought it? 16, 15, 14? Cut me off when I'm getting close. 13, 12?
I think it was 14.
Right. This is a daily. You use this every day to get to work.
Yep.
The bonnet has this great big gap.
Why is that?
I think it's purely because the grille isn't sat right.
So the grill isn't straight.
I think it's the grille, because I mean on this side here you can easily get your finger underneath it, and then on this side here you can't really get your finger underneath it at all.
What have you done to it?
Well, pretty much everything in there's new. The radiator and the water pump we actually replaced this morning.
This morning?
This morning, because the radiator decided it wanted to have a hole in it, and the water pump, the bearings were going in it, and it was making a horrible noise inside. That's a thermostat for the electric fan that we put in down there, because it wasn't keeping temperature. It's overheating really quickly, so that's what this like little box is for there.
Yeah.
Tiny but fun.
Tiny but fun.
So when you go to classic car places, well, classic car shows, or mini shows should I say, you do see quite a few people calling them the TARDIS, because they are bigger on the inside than they are on the outside.
Well, we saw because it could fit me in.
Yeah.
So I'm quite happy about.
So
Do you love your car?
I do.
Have you ever hugged a car?
Yes.
I hug my car.
I do.
Hug your car. Right then, well, we're back to shaky cam.
Does it go back any further, or is this it? Is it a fixed seat?
No, it does move. There is a little thing down there. If you pull that, it might move back a little bit more. Or that might be it.
That's it.
That's it.
It's fine. Oh, wow, it's just tiny. So I'm probably going to have to put subtitles on because it's so loud.
You might have to, yeah. So, it's not too bad when you're not accelerating.
What kind of like tricks do you have to use to drive it?
It's a bit of a charm using the gearbox, or changing gear.
Yeah.
Because it's like a dog leg, so it's not straight.
Okay.
So you once you know how to do it, it's really easy. But everyone who drives it, and I mean everyone, misses third gear. They can't get it in.
Right.
So it can be quite difficult to get it into third gear. Got no power steering, so I guess that's a bit of a, it's a bit weird when you first start to drive it. Brakes. Now, if you're used to driving a new car, when you get in this, it will have no brakes. You really do have to stomp on the brakes to get them to work. Compared to other cars, this car is quite a small car, and the comfort zone for this car it is yourself.
Your face.
Yeah. So if something were to happen on a motorway, you would more than likely end up dead.
Yeah.
To put it, how it is.
Well, that is how it is. I mean, you have to be a braver man than me to drive one of these. Everyone says this about minis, they're just go-karts, and you have to get in one and sample it just to see how much they're right.
Yeah.
You kind of think, oh yeah, but it's just unbelievable. I mean,
potholes is a big problem as well.
Yeah.
But then when you used it and broke it. Another problem, well, I'm not going to say a problem with them, but it's not the car, it's other people. They see the car, see that it's old and small, and decide to pull out in front of you when really there isn't enough time for them to do so. And so that can be quite annoying, in the fact that you sort of got to be really aware to your surroundings.
Yeah. I'm so glad I can't see where I'm going.
Turning circle on them isn't the best either.
Isn't it?
Not for what it is.
Anyway, I'd like to thank Tom for coming. I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was nice to meet you as well. It was really good fun. guys just ran over my GoPro as it fell off the car. What a dickhead. GoPro.
Looks good, kind of, but the screen's cracked.
Bring it back, how to DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back, how to DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back, tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass.
That's really, really loud.
Really loud, isn't it?